my Lord. Somebody actually junked their Tesla. When you hear a traded in Tesla to a junkyard, it's not what I expected. Did you guys think I should try to buy this Tesla? Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Central Florida Pick and Pay. And today we are back on this Tesla mission. And we're gonna find out if I can actually personally buy this car or not. So let's get started.
Yep.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, what's up? How you doing? Sorry, I'm a little dirty.
Nah, you good, brother. You know where I can go to buy cars at? There's this nice ass Tesla back there.
Oh, Tesla? Yeah, of course. Listen, right here, there's the dispatch office. You can talk to JP. He's gonna tell you all the information about the car and everything. He'll help you out with that, okay?
Perfect.
Where it says Firestone to the left-hand side, okay?
Right, thank you, bro.
All right, you have a good day, okay?
Appreciate it, appreciate
Yes,
it. You too, brother. Hey, what's up, man? Are you JP?
Hey, good morning. Yeah, how are you?
Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
So I'm here because I'm wondering about that Tesla that we have in the bag. I was wondering if it's for sale.
Want to buy it?
Yeah.
I have a couple people that already put a good money on it.
What
If
would
you
you
want it, I
be-
need a good offer.
What would the offers be like?
So I'm already have more than 3,500 on it.
3,500?
I need more of that.
I'll see what I
I
can
need
do.
a good offer.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
Just bring me a good offer and we can sell it to you.
All right, perfect, perfect. So you said 3,500. It has to be
That's-
cash, right?
It has to be cash.
All right, perfect, man. I
No problem.
appreciate that.
No problem. Have a good
All
one.
right, I'll let you know,
Thank you.
man. I'm really excited because I now know the price of the Tesla, but it's going to be rough because I do have competition. Now, these other people are putting up $3,500, so now let's see if I can do any better. Let me call my bank. Hey, what's up, JP?
Hey, good morning. How are you?
I'm good. So I ended up getting $4,000 for that Tesla.
Oof, sorry, bro. You came late. Somebody already gave me a good offer that I couldn't resist.
Brother, man.
I'm sorry about that.
Oh, man, I really like that car. It was in good condition, too.
Yeah, it was perfect, but we already sold it with all the paperwork, so I'm sorry about that. Next time.
All right, I appreciate that, though.
No problem.
Thank you, bro.
No problem.
Well, unfortunately, I was not able to buy the Tesla. But there is an upside to that. Somebody's gonna go home happy with a brand new Tesla, and all they're gonna have to do is put AC in there. But it won't be me, unfortunately. So with that being said, I feel like it's the end of the road for this Tesla journey. And you guys let me know what you guys think we should get a hold on. Let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, and share for more. And I'm out of here.